Alright guys, day 5. Make sure that you have lesson 3 out. I will tell you that we're going to break lesson 3 up into 2 sections. So we're only going to be doing part of this packet. So do not return it until we have completed the entire lesson. Alright, do not return it until we have completed the entire lesson. Alright, so we have been talking about how to construct equilateral triangles. Today what we're going to do is we are going to talk about copying and bisecting an angle. One of the things I want to review with you is what the word bisect means. Hopefully you remember that bisect means to divide something into 2 equal parts. Alright, we're going to see if that is true when it comes to bisecting an angle. Alright, so let's look at our opening exercise. In the following figure, circles have been constructed so that the endpoints of the diameter of each circle coincide with the endpoints of each segment of the equilateral triangle. So it wants to know what is special about points D, E, and F, and explain how this can be confirmed with the use of a compass. Well, look at where points D, E, and F are located. You will see that points D, E, and F are in the middle of segments. Point D is in the middle of segment BC. Point E is in the middle of segment AC. And point F is in the middle of segment AB. Go back and dig deep into your vocabulary and see if you can remember what it means to be in the middle of something. That means it is the midpoint. So points D, E, and F are midpoints. How can it be confirmed with the use of a compass? Well, how can I figure out that D is the same distance from C as it is from B? Guys, I can take my compass and I can measure the distance between C and D, and then I can take my compass and I can measure the distance between D and B, and I see that they're the same distance. So therefore, I know that D, E, and F are midpoints. So it says draw DE. Alright, so it wants me to take my straight edge, and it wants me to connect DE. Draw EF. So we're going to connect E and F. And then draw FD. So connect the points F and D. When I do that, what kind of triangle must triangle DEF be? Well, based on what we know, then it must be an equilateral triangle. So triangle DEF must be an equilateral triangle.